What did the multi-step linear equation say to the algebra student? Don't rush me. I'm complicated. Good day, my dear viewers. I'm Kuya Ems, and welcome to Chokat Lapis. This is episode 6 of our 20-part algebra series under the Sipnayan Symmetry. And today, we will be talking about how to solve multi-step linear equations. Last episode, we learned about linear equations. Today, we will practice more on what we learned about it, but we will focus on not just one, not two, but 3 or more steps to solve for the unknown. Don't panic. It's normal. It's like making instant noodles. Boil water, add noodles, then the seasoning. There's a required order. Multi-step equations are equations that need more than one operation to isolate the variable. You might need to distribute, combine like terms, add or subtract, and multiply or divide. So let's practice, slowly, step by step. A simple problem first. 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. Like what we've learned from the previous episode, our goal is to isolate the variable. So let's do that by removing the constant on the left side. Let's subtract 3 from both sides. 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 11. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. And 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. So our equation becomes 2x is equal to 8. To remove the coefficient, we can divide both sides by 2. So that would become 2x divided by 2 is equal to 8 divided by 2. 2x divided by 2 is equal to x, and 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. One way to double check your answer is to do a simple substitution on the variable. So let's put the value of 4 in place of the variable of x. So our equation now becomes 2 times 4 plus 3 is equal to 11. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So that checks out. So our answer is correct. Next problem. 3 times quantity x minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 14. Step 1 is to distribute 3 to everything inside the parentheses. So 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 2 is 6. So our equation becomes 3x minus 6 plus 5 is equal to 14. Step 2 is to combine like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable and power, or the constants, which are the terms that have no variables. So we can combine the constants, negative 6 plus 5, which is equal to negative 1. The equation becomes 3x minus 1 is equal to 14. In order to isolate the variable further, we can add 1 on both sides of the equation. This would cancel out negative 1. And on the right side, 14 plus 1 is gonna be 15. So the equation becomes 3x is equal to 15. Finally, we need to eliminate the coefficient, and we will do that by dividing 3 on both sides of the equation. 3x divided by 3 is gonna be x, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that's your answer. X is equal to 5. Let's verify by substituting 5 to the variable. So it's going to be 3 times quantity 5 minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 14. Using PEMDAS, let's evaluate the parentheses first. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And let's do the rest of the operation. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 5 is equal to 14. We nailed it. Next up, a sample problem with variables on both sides. We have 4x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 15. To mix it up, let's do some transposition. Let's move the variable on the right side to the left. And then we will move the constant on the left to the right side. So our equation becomes 4x minus 2x is equal to 15 minus 7. Remember that we change signs when we do transposition. So 4x minus 2x is 2x, and 15 minus 7 is going to be 8. Next, we need to remove the coefficient by dividing 2 on both sides. So 2x divided by 2 is x, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. And that's our answer. Again, let's double check our answer by using simple substitution. 4 times 4 plus 7 is equal to 2 times 4 plus 15. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 7 is equal to 23. And 8 plus 15 is also equal to 23. So it checks out as well. Of course, we need to do one simple word problem as well. And here's the question. Lisa buys 3 notebooks and 1 pen. The pen costs 15 pesos. Her total bill is 90 pesos. How much does each notebook cost? As we have talked about in previous lessons, interpreting worded problems into an algebraic expression is the most important step. So let's assume that x is going to be the cost of 1 notebook, and that's our unknown. We know that she bought 3 notebooks, so that's going to be 3x. And then we're going to add a constant of 15 pesos as the cost of the pen. And if you add both of them, your total is going to be 90 pesos. So our equation is 3x plus 15 is equal to 90. Next step is we're going to try to isolate the variable. To do that, we can subtract 15 from both sides. So we're going to have 3x plus 15 minus 15 is equal to 90 minus 15. That's going to take out 15, and 90 minus 15 is 75. So the equation becomes 3x is equal to 75. In order to eliminate the coefficient, we can divide both sides by 3. So 3x divided by 3 is x, and 75 divided by 3 is 25. That means each notebook costs 25 pesos. Let's check our answer by using substitution. So 3 times 25 plus 15 should be equal to 90. 3 times 25 is 75. 75 plus 15 is equal to 90. So we're sure now that we got the correct answer. Now let's review our multi-step strategy. Some of the things that we can do is to simplify both sides, combine like terms, use inverse operation to isolate the variable, and at the end, you can check your answer by using substitution. Always remember, take it one step at a time. You've got this. If you had fun or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on our fun new episodes. We've got more adventures coming your way. History, science, and math, all with a twist of nerdy fun. I'm Kuya Ems, and I'll see you in the next one.